To dictate speech to text on a Mac, you will need to use the built-in dictation feature. First, make sure your Mac is running the latest version of macOS. Go to the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Then click on Keyboard. In the Keyboard Preferences window, click on the Dictation tab. Here you can choose the language you want to use for dictation and select the microphone you want to use. You can use the built-in microphone on your Mac or an external microphone. Once you have selected your language and microphone, click on the On button to turn on dictation. A microphone icon will appear on the right side of the screen, indicating that dictation is active. To start dictating, click on the microphone icon or press the FN key twice. Then start speaking. Your spoken words will be converted to text and inserted into the current text field or document. You can dictate text into any text field, including emails, documents, and chat windows. You can also use dictation to edit text by speaking commands such as delete, select all, and undo. To improve the accuracy of dictation, speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Avoid background noise and try to enunciate your words. You can also use punctuation commands, such as period, comma, and question mark, to add punctuation to your text. When you are finished dictating, click on the microphone icon or press the FN key twice to turn off dictation. Your dictated text will remain in the text field or document, and you can edit it as needed. By following these steps and tips, you can use dictation on your Mac to quickly and easily convert your spoken words to text. This feature can be especially useful for people who have difficulty typing or who want to work more efficiently.